Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to learn about Power Query. First we click on the transform data. We have our data set here with each column heading showing us the type of column it is by having numbers or alphabet or calendar. We go to Add Column and first see our text column features. If we click on length, it will give us the number of characters in each cell. Our steps are being shown, we just have to click on delete to undo the changes. We can extract first characters also and get it into a new column. Similarly, we can get last characters. Now let's see some of the number column features in Power Query. If we want to multiply two columns and get a new column, we simply select two columns, then click on Standard and Multiply. Similarly, we can add two columns. Now let's see some of the date column function. We can get the month of each date in a separate column. By clicking on Transform, we can split columns with delimiter, which will give us 3 columns. By clicking on Home, we can see functions of deleting rows and columns. We can also apply filter on columns, which will update data in our visual also. We can also replace values in any column. If you haven't already subscribed, then don't forget to subscribe the channel for more videos.